Welcome to this week's edition of the Thomas Index Report. In today's report, we will look at some of the Q1 2022 national industrial sourcing and sector-specific procurement trends highlighted in the newly published Sourcing Activity Snapshot report. These proprietary insights are based on data from 70,000 product and service categories on thomasnet.com. The 5 states with the most sourcing activity on thomasnet.com were California, Texas, Virginia, Florida, and New York. Our data shows that the top 5 products by sourcing activity volume on thomasnet.com were food products, steel, lumber, adhesives, and nitrile gloves. The top 5 services were machining, CNC machining, metal fabrication, aircraft and aerospace CNC machining, and plastic injection molding services. To see the full list of all 20 top products and services, you can download the free Q1 2022 Sourcing Activity Snapshot report linked at the end of this video. This quarter, the Sourcing Activity Snapshot also introduced new sector-specific data analysis for a range of key industries, including aerospace, medical and healthcare, and construction. As a preview, let's delve into sourcing activities specific to the automotive sector. Not surprisingly, Michigan had the most automotive-related search activity on the platform. The top 3 searches were for wipes and wipers, cleaning compounds, and stamping services. More specifically, engineers in the automotive sectors were sourcing for additive manufacturing services, while automotive MRO professionals were looking for etching services, and supply chain managers were focused on procuring finders. To learn more about Q1 industrial sourcing activity, national procurement themes, and sector-specific trends, download the free Q1 2022 Sourcing Activity Snapshot report using the link in this video. I'm Kathy Ma, and this is the Thomas Index Report.